the sparrow, and the oak tree. In a dense forest, an ancient oak tree stood tall and majestic, its branches stretching wide, providing shelter to many creatures. One of the inhabitants of this oak tree was a little sparrow named Pip. Pip was known for his curious nature and chatty personality. One sunny morning, Pip noticed something unusual. A small shoot was sprouting from the ground right next to the mighty oak. Pip flew down to inspect it. The shoot seemed frail and delicate compared to the grandeur of the oak. Pip couldn't help but laugh. "You'll never be as strong or as tall as the oak tree," Pip chirped at the young shoot. "Why do you even bother trying to grow?" The shoot, undeterred by Pip's mocking, simply swayed in the gentle breeze. "I may be small now, but every great tree starts as a small shoot. With time, care, and perseverance, I too can become strong and tall." Pip chuckled at the shoot's optimism and flew away, convinced that the shoot would never amount to much. Years passed, the seasons changed, and the forest continued its endless cycle of life. The little shoot, now a sapling, faced many challenges: harsh winds, heavy rains, and scorching sun, but it persisted. The oak tree, still grand and magnificent, watched over the young tree with a sense of silent encouragement. One particularly stormy night, a fierce wind howled through the forest. The trees swayed violently, and branches snapped under the pressure. The ancient oak, despite its strength, was not immune to the storm's fury. With a thunderous crack, one of its massive branches broke and fell. The next morning, the forest was a picture of devastation. Trees were uprooted and branches were scattered everywhere. Pip, who had taken shelter in a nearby cave during the storm, returned to find his home on the oak tree damaged. He was heartbroken. As he fluttered around, trying to find a new perch, he noticed the young tree standing tall and proud. Despite the storm's intensity, the sapling had weathered it with minimal damage. Pip flew down and landed gently on one of its branches. "I was wrong about you," Pip admitted. "You have grown strong and resilient. How did you manage to withstand the storm?" The young tree, now no longer a sapling but a sturdy young tree, responded calmly. "Strength doesn't come from being the biggest or the oldest. It comes from resilience, from the willingness to face challenges and grow through them. Every storm makes us stronger if we choose to learn from it." Pip nodded thoughtfully, realizing the truth in the young tree's words. From that day on, he made his home in the branches of the young tree, respecting its strength and wisdom. Moral true strength is not about being the biggest or the oldest, but about resilience and the willingness to grow through challenges.